NY Candle Cafe, our primary source of DIYs, I guess I can say, is candle making. You could come in and make your own candle from scratch. As you know, you get to pick your candle tin, you get to choose your scent, you get to choose your color, you get to garnish it with dried flowers. So it's literally your own little science masterpiece that you get to take back home with you. And the best part is there's no nasty anything, so it's all plant-based. So that's the part that we absolutely love. One thing I would say, if you're doing it and you're not scared, then it might be wrong. If you're scared, go for it.
Yeah.
Run for it. Because one thing I can say, I literally quit my corporate job making X amount salary working for a very great company here. Everyone knows I worked at 500 Pearl. I was the assistant general manager of that property, and I was only 25 years old.
Wow.
And doing that, making guaranteed money. No questions asked.
Yep.
My rent will be paid. I will eat. I know how.
Consistent income coming. Yeah.
Exactly. One thing I can say is leaving that job to work for myself, I was scared as words that can't be said.
Right.
But if you're scared, you're doing something right, and push through. And even if it doesn't work out the first time, it's okay. Because how would you know what it feels like to succeed if you don't fail?
Yeah.
I've been in business for 4 years, and the amount of candles that have burnt that shouldn't burn the way it did, I'm pretty sure I still owe one of my friends a new rug because it burnt through her rug. Like, there's, there's trial and error, and you're not gonna get it right the first time, you might not get it right the second time, but it's okay. When you do, keep going, keep pushing through. Trust me, one thing you want to do, and it doesn't hurt to try. You can't knock yourself for trying.
Yeah.
I define myself as probably a diversified type of person. I've worked in so many different entities. From a child, I've been always part of entrepreneurship because our family always owned businesses, whether it was a grocery store, a liquor store, or then as I grew older, I had an insurance agency, and my wife and I had a couple of hair salons. And so I've always been part of business and understanding business, and each business that I've been in, I learned something to take me to the next level or something else. So they all been life learning tools through the whole process. You have to find what's your passion. If you find your passion, then they say you'll never work a day in your life.
Absolutely.
So you look for that passion. That's part of the Black Acievers Youth Academy, and try to even show other opportunities. Yeah. I would probably be more disciplined. Yeah. And funny, probably saying more no's and being more focused on the task that's ahead of me. Yeah. Sometimes we can be distracted by others and trying to do too much. Yeah. So probably I would do that. I think if we all had second chances, we would make different choices. Yeah. But it says lessons learned, though.
Absolutely.
So you can't look at it that way. I learned so many lessons along the way that had I not had the things that happened, I wouldn't be where I am now. And I'm still learning. Yeah. I can just say that you have to have preparation. Yeah. You have to work hard. You have to work smart. You have to have the right resources around you, the right influences around you, and surround yourself around people smarter than you. I guess for me, and I always feel when you're doing business or anything, you're only one relationship away. Yeah. And you never know where that relationship is going to take you. And some of them can take you so far that's so unimaginable. Yeah. So you have to still be prepared for the opportunity that awaits you.